Hi everyone! So today we're doing some digital housekeeping for your Google Drive, and I will show you how to do it. And for starters, please follow the instructions. I will show you the step by step how to do housekeeping. But when we mean housekeeping, we will clean up your drive, your Google Drive, okay? And we will organize your drive, all right? So for the first step, okay, you need to sign in to your Chrome. So make sure that you have your Google Chrome ready, okay? And on the top right corner of your screen, okay, is your sign in tab, okay, for your Google Chrome. Now, you need to turn on sync, okay? So you will click this icon and then click turn on sync. And you need to type your school email, okay? So change the language if you want to, okay? So here is, you need to type your email, alphaP_2032@concordian.org, okay? Then click next. And then you will type your password. Click next. Okay. And then it will ask you if you want to link your data on this account. Yes, you have to click link data. Okay. After clicking link data, you will click yes, I'm in. Okay. So now that you're here, after you link your Google account, okay, you will see your bookmarks, okay? So you have your classes, your Ed Club, your CISO, and other bookmarks that you have added on your Chrome. All right, so how to start your housekeeping, okay, digital housekeeping for your Google Drive. So we will go to your Google Drive first. Now, you see this button here, it's your Google Apps button. Click your Google Apps and then click Drive. Okay, after clicking Drive, you will be on your Google Drive. Okay, so on your Google Drive, you will see all your files. Now, there are two ways to view your files. Okay, so we are currently in list view. Okay, if you see this button here on the top right, okay, it says grid view. So if I click grid view, it will show me the thumbnail of my documents. Okay. Now, if you click this again, it says list view. It means you want to view your files in list view. So click list view. Okay, now I'm just going to stay here in list view. Now, since you already have a lot of files, okay, now you need to organize your files. If you want by grade level, you may do that. So let's do it by grade level. Since I have grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, and grade 5 files. Okay, so I'm going to click new. And I will choose folder, and then I will type grade 1. Click create. Okay, so now I have grade 1 folder. I'm going to create grade 2 folder. New folder, grade 2. Create. Okay, now I'm going to click create. I'm going to create grade 3 folder because I have grade 3 files. I have grade 4 files. So I'm going to go and click new and create other grade level for folders. Okay, so I have grade 3, click folder, grade 4, okay, and last one is folder grade 5. Okay. All right, now if you have files, you know, like pictures or music or videos, okay, you can create the same folder so that you can put all your pictures in one folder. So pictures, okay, if I have music or audio, okay, all music and audio will go here, okay, and all videos will go here. Okay, so now I'm ready to put my files in the correct folders. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So G1 file. So I'm going to click G1 Google Slide and drag it on grade 1 folder. Okay, now I'm gonna go now and get the G1 Google Docs and click and drag and drop. Grade 2, click, drag and drop and point to grade 2. Okay, click, drag and drop. Okay, still grade 2. Okay, so you're going in grade 2. Okay, grade 3 now, so click and drag. Grade 3, oops, nope, not selecting. Click, drag, grade 3, click, drag. Okay, now grade 5. Okay, grade 5. Okay, grade 5. Okay, so now I have placed all files on the right folder. So if I double click grade 1, so I have grade 1 files. Click my drive to go to the root folder. Grade 2, there you go. Okay, grade 3, there you go. Grade 4, okay, oh, I don't have grade 4 files. Okay, grade 5, there you go. Okay, all right. So now I have organized my Google Drive. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to organize your Google Drive so that in the future, okay, it's not difficult to find the files that you want, okay, that you need. So if you think, oh, I remember I have a Google slide presentation in grade 2, so just go to your grade 2 folder and you will see everything in the grade 2 folder. Okay, all right, so I hope you enjoy organizing your files. So make sure that you do them correctly, name your folders properly. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye.